So I'm Patricia Smith, I live in Northampton. A couple of years ago I thought that my upper eyelids had started to become particularly heavy. I'd taken to wearing false eyelashes, and even the false eyelashes couldn't be seen, that's how heavy the eyelids were. And a younger friend of mine recommended that I should go to Aurora clinics and see a Mr. Adrian Richards, which is exactly what I did. Mr. Richards recommended I should see a different surgeon who would specialise in eyelids, and I saw Mr. Tristan McMullen, and he gave me a procedure called a blepharoplasty, which massively improved my upper eyelids, and I was absolutely delighted with the results. On the non-surgical side of things, I had a little bit of Botox between my eyebrows because I used to frown quite a lot and I've got rather a deep crease line. So I had some Botox there, and also lip filler, which has really plumped up my lips, but not to goldfish proportions, just to a more pleasing look. I'm very, very pleased, and I would definitely recommend people with slightly thinner lips to have that done. I'm quite okay with having injections done, I don't mind, but I think some local anaesthetic is just applied with, it's probably just some ointment. I felt very comfortable with having the procedures done, both the Botox and the lip filler. I had a little bit of swelling, not after the Botox, that's fine, but after the lip filler, so I would suggest that anybody considering that might just have a clear day and no heavy date in the evening following the procedure, but I was very, very pleased with mine. When I look at my passport photo, which was taken 16 years ago, I think I look younger now than I did then, and I'm really pleased. I've been absolutely delighted with the practitioners that I've seen. I think when you're having something personal like injections or something more radical, more major surgery, I think you need to feel very comfortable with the person who's performing the procedure. And I felt very, very comfortable, very confident that they're professional, they know exactly what they're doing. They've made me feel very relaxed, they've kept me fully informed of what they're doing as they do it. And I would highly recommend the people from Aurora. I do have repeat treatments for my Botox and my lip filler, not that regularly, maybe once a year is sufficient, particularly for the lip filler. Hopefully I won't need to have another blepharoplasty. I think for me it'll probably last me for the rest of my life, and also my facelift. But I have recommended Aurora Clinic to people of my age, and they've taken up the recommendation and are going to have similar treatments.